Imagine discovering a secret elixir that brings out the natural beauty of your skin. Enter the world of Forest Essentials, an authentic skincare brand deeply rooted in Ayurvedic traditions. Forest Essentials is committed to delivering products that are chemical-free and abundant in natural Ayurvedic ingredients. The brand's offerings are a testament to its belief in the power of nature and Ayurveda. Forest Essentials takes you on a journey where traditional wisdom meets modern luxury, offering a sensory experience that nourishes and nurtures your skin. Dive into the world of Forest Essentials, where each product is a treasure trove of skincare goodness. Let's embark on a journey through this verdant forest of natural beauty solutions, each designed to cater to your unique skin needs. First, we discover the nourishing facial cleansing paste. This isn't your standard face wash. It's a meticulously crafted blend of Ayurvedic herbs and essential oils that cleanses and exfoliates your skin, leaving it fresh and vibrant. Next, we encounter the hydrating facial tonic mist. A spritz here, a spritz there, and voila! Your skin is instantly refreshed and toned, ready to face the day. This isn't just a simple tonic, it's a rejuvenating elixir that breathes life back into tired skin. Then we come across the rejuvenating facial cream. This isn't just a moisturizer, it's a daily dose of revitalization for your skin. It hydrates, nourishes, and revitalizes, making your skin feel as youthful and radiant as a morning in the forest. Finally, we stumble upon the luxurious body polisher. This isn't just a scrub, it's a ticket to soft, smooth, and glowing skin. It exfoliates and polishes, revealing the natural beauty that lies beneath. Each of these products is a testament to the power of Ayurveda and the purity of nature. With regular use, they can transform your skin, making it healthier, radiant, and full of life. With Forest Essentials, you're not just using a product, you're embracing a lifestyle that values the purity of nature and the power of Ayurveda. Why settle for anything less when your skin deserves the best? Forest Essentials invites you to embark on a journey of natural, luxurious skin care. Dive into the world of Ayurvedic beauty and see the difference for yourself. With a comprehensive range of products, Forest Essentials caters to every skin type and concern. Whether you're battling dryness, oily skin, or looking for anti-aging solutions, there's something for you. The convenience of online shopping means these skin elixirs are just a few clicks away. Browse, select, and get your chosen products delivered right to your doorstep. Forest Essentials is not just a brand, it's a commitment to customer satisfaction. With regular use, you'll notice a visible transformation as your skin becomes healthier, more radiant. The brand promises you an experience of premium skincare that is as indulgent as it is effective. Give your skin the care it deserves with Forest Essentials. Start your journey to healthier, radiant skin today.